When you became a bat mitzvah at the age of 50, how long did it take and what did it feel like?
It felt like filling a gap in my background. I wrote a chapter of a book on this, on bar and bat mitzvahs, because for me, I entitled the piece "One Step Along My Way." I think it was one step along my way. You know, if you see it all as recovery, it's one step along a long, long road. All lives can be described that way, but mine was coming back to my faith, my Judaism, in a way of contributing to making myself more knowledgeable about it. So, I mean, I'd gone through the 3 children and, you know, helped them put together a booklet. You know, we were kind of independent, so we didn't just use we didn't really use a prayer book. I made a bat mitzvah booklet for them to have their bat mitzvah from, bar and bat mitzvah. And it took a lot from the prayer book, but it was also unique. It was theirs.
Mm-hmm.
And after you, at least in my case, after you do for your children this, this, and this, you have a little breather and you look at your own life in that way. And I felt I didn't know enough. So I studied with the rabbi at that time at the JCA, Jewish Community of Amherst, Sheila Weinberg, Rabbi Sheila Weinberg. I was the first, I believe I was the first adult bat mitzvah in the community. Oh. It was personal. I wanted to know more. It did not make me more observant, except I know what I'm doing, as opposed to just following what other people are doing.
Mm-hmm.
I can read Hebrew, but the longer I don't read it sufficiently, I'm going to lose it. Mm-hmm. Which is a feeling I'd had at the time that how can you just educate your children and not know enough yourself? And since I'm kind of a student type, I can't give it more reason than that, except it was part of my own healing identity. I like to go to services. My husband is not really observant, though he likes to go to services, but we tend to have dinner with all our children live in Massachusetts. We're very fortunate about that,
Right.
So we tend to see our family. So we're not observant in a traditional sense. We've always belonged to a synagogue. We go for the high holidays. We might go a little bit more. We certainly donate. But it didn't make me more religious in the traditional sense.